G'day, welcome back. So today we're doing a brake job for this 2024 cost of living crisis. 4 years ago when I last did the brakes on this car, a set of rotors cost $244. Today they cost $380. That's a lot of money when you add the pads on. Pads have gone up from like 90 bucks to 130 or something like that. So to save money, I'm going to get the rotors machined. I've never done that before. It's never made sense because it's an overnight service around here, middle of nowhere, and the cost difference was never that much. But to get these ones machined, 100 plus the GST is $115. So quite a big saving. So we're going to do it. We'll show you it quickly, and that'll be that. Here's our disc. Doesn't look too bad. There's no kind of big ridges. There is a slight lip, but there should be plenty of meat on there to machine. Yeah. Alright, so both slide pins are nice and free. So that's our first check. We'll re-grease them before we do it. Right, so here's the pads in the carrier. As you can see, we've got some uneven wear on that pad there, so we'll have to make sure when we redo it, everything moves nice and freely. But yeah, that's probably the reason why we're doing these today. Yeah. No rust out here, baby. Inside of this disc looks like it's had a wee bit of heat through there, but yeah, decent brake job. New pads, machine rotors, should be good to go. Right, it's an overnight service to get the brakes machined, so I've put the wheels back on the car for now, but I thought I'd better put a note in the car. It's the wife's car. She doesn't listen, so if she does go for a drive, she'll just need to Flintstone the brakes or something, who knows. Life insurance is all paid up, so we're good. Alright, let's start her up, pump up the brakes. Well, pump it up the brakes first. Oh, not much, nothing. Oh, nice and firm. There you go. Start her up. Take this off. Right, so where are we? We're 365,262. So that's about 100,000 K since the brakes were last done. So there we go, our brakes done. As you saw, those last ones lasted pretty much bang on 100,000 Ks. That's not bad. 4 years of ski field roads, towing, whatever else we do with that car. I'm quite happy with that. So get the job done for 250 bucks for machined rotors and the new pads. If we get another 4 years out of it, we're good. There we go. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you at the next one. Cheers.